Hi, how are you, my friends? Today I will explain how to highlight max and minimum points on line charts as eye catch. You can see here a line chart with a green point as maximum sales and a red point as red as minimum sales. And we have here a reference line sorry, for the maximum and the reference line for the minimum. You can see here reference line, we have max and we have here minimum. As we now drill down, you see here, let me drill up here. You can see here now the x-axis is year, which means the scope of the date of hierarchy is year. While if we now drill down, now the scope is a quarter and year together. And yeah, as you can see here, we have the minimum point illustrated in red and maximum point as green point. Let me drill down more. The scope now is month, quarter, and year. Again, red point as minimum and green point as maximum. Let me drill up again. Let me now expand all. This is quarter one for all the years together, and this is quarter two for all the years together, and so on. So here we have the red point and the green point for the sales. Again, expand all for the months. Can see here. Even here now the scope is here is only month, and here is only quarter. Okay. So let me explain now what we did. We have Excel file with 5 tables: customer, location, orders, products, and sales representative. Here, the model, we create calendar table as here. You can see by calendar auto we make date, then we make quarter year, which is calendar date and quarter and year combined together, month and year together, year alone, quarter alone, quarter order, which is combined the column year and concatenate with calendar column quarter, QTR. Month number the same, concatenate column year and format the month. Then we have month name column, then we have month, then we have quarter. Don't forget that we sort this column by month. We should do it in order to have the sequence of the months in right way. Even for the quarter, we make it as QTR, sorted by QTR. And now we have, even for the month year, we sorted by month order, and so on. Actually, we are now talking about this video. It's a part 2 from a previous video. We talked about highlighting point on line chart for the points of average, above average, and under and below the average. So you can watch my video for details for the highlight points on line chart for more details. In this video I will go in a quick steps. You can, if you want more details, you can watch my previous video. Now, after I made the calendar and make sure that I connected to the fact table orders, let me explain the scenarios that we will work on before I create the measure. So we have 5 cases. Case number 1, that I need max and min point over year, which means this case over year, I want to get the minimum and the max along with year. Okay. For this reason, we have to select all select function in order to have the same value for max over all years, and for the same value for the all years, removing the filters on years. This is case number 1. Here the scope is year only. Case number 2, we have max min over quarter and year. This case is like this. Quarter and year together. I want min sales and max sales. The scope here is year and the quarter, and you can see here the maximum sales is the same for all the quarter, because we will use all select, which remove filters on quarter and year, same as min. Case number 3, we want min max over month, quarter, year, and this is the case, month, quarter, year. You see here, this case, the scope is year, quarter, and month together. Again, we have all select to have maximum value or as one value, as one line, removing filter from year and quarter and month, and same for min point. Case number 4, we want max min over only quarter. This case is like this, only quarter. And finally, we have case number 5, which is max min over months, which is this case. The scope is here only month, and the scope here is only quarter. So let's now go to our measure. So here the line is in the axis is date hierarchy, nothing but year, quarter, and month name, and total sales, nothing except some order sales. Now let me see this measure we are creating. We will make, according to the 5 scenarios we have, we will make this the table or the axis according to each scenario. So for the scenario number 1, when we have year and the scope is year, so only we will take all selected year, calendar year. Why all selected? In order to remove filter in each year and to have one value for all the years. We have variable for quarter year, which is scenario number 2, all selected. We will take year, and we will take everything is referred to quarter, which is quarter year, quarter order, quarter, anything which is point to the quarter, we have to select it. Now, this is scenario number 2. Scenario number 4, which is all quarter, which when we have the scope is only quarter, scenario 4, the all selected, we will take only the quarter. But any quarter that combined year with it, we will not take it because we need only quarter. So quarter year, we don't need it, and the quarter order, we don't need it. If you go to the calendar and see quarter order, where is quarter order? This is quarter year, and this is quarter order. You can see that we combine year with quarter. For the all month and year, this is case number or scenario number 3. All selected, year, and all the columns that point or have a quarter or month. So you see here, plus this one, we have month order, month name, month year, and month. And the all month, which is scenario number 5, which is only the month columns, but without the columns that combine month and year. So we don't have month year or month order here. So now we have the X value, let's say, or the period for the X value for the 5 scenarios. I want to draw attention, be careful, the sequence now of these conditions is very important. Now, first of all, let's get the max point period. So we have switch. If we have in scope a month and a quarter, then this is which scenario? Scenario number 3. So we will have max X for the all month. This is scenario number 3, remember? And for total sales. If we have in scope only month, so I will take this only months with max X and total sales. If we have quarter and year together in the scope, so I will use max all quarter here. This is the table for the max X and total sales here. If we have only quarter, we will use all quarter and total sales with max X. If we have only year, so year it's only one case, so just will take all year and total sales. The same process we explained here, same with min point period. Except we will use, instead of max X, we will use min X. We will return if total sales is equal to the max point period, so give me 1. And if total sales is equal min point period, give me 2. So this measure, the output for this measure is either 1 or 2. You can see now in the line chart, the color for the line chart, if you see the color, where is the color here? We don't have conditional. We don't have conditional formatting. So for this reason, we will go for column. Here, stack clustered column. And in the column color, we will use a rule here. Take our measure, max min point, and we will tell him if it's equal 1, so give me green. If it's equal to, give me red. For this reason, you find this column is red and this column is green. Change back to chart, make formatting for line, take markers. Okay. Then you will have this line chart with iCatch max point sales. So I hope you benefit from this video, and if you have any details, I advise you to go to my previous video explaining highlighting points for more details. Any comments are welcome. Please subscribe, share, and like my video. Thank you a lot for watching and attending me. Thank you a lot. Bye bye.